Got no stake in the ride. If I take flicks with the guys, I gotta put emojis over like 3 faces, cause the feds can't see those eyes. People I shouldn't be beside. When I was an actor, they would go Stratford just to sell food on Bieber's side. Many reasons why.
Hey guys, so I just got home from getting my eyelashes done. This is what they look like. I look a fucking ugly ass mess. Let's just not even talk about that. And my eyebrows look so bad, but the eyelashes, I actually like them. I think that they are cute, but the eyelashes in the hair, the eyebrows in the hair is like throwing me off real bad. I told this man to not put tomatoes, only sour cream. Plus, I told him put sour cream on his taco, and there's no sour cream on his taco. Anyway, I'm gonna just finish eating, and then I guess I'll record myself blow dry my hair. I was gonna trim my ends, but
I guess I'm doing what I want.
but they say long ass weave, it be tickling my. I'm like, anyway.
What you want? My new bitch look like Tyler Perry.
Anyway, let's just pay attention to the man. Hello? Hey guys, so I am in the car on the way to get my hair done. When are we gonna get there? 6:16, and it's like 6:10 right now, so we got 6 minutes, and then I think that we're gonna go stop at Chick-fil-A because I got some little free rewards for these salads, so I'm gonna get us some free salad. And yeah, and also I got a free thing for some ice cream or a brownie or something, because one time they had fucked up my order and that had made me mad, so I called Chick-fil-A, and so then they just gave me some rewards, so we're gonna use that. So I was telling him earlier that even if my hair turns out ugly, I am just going to put a fucking beanie on, and I'm just gonna have to be wearing a beanie the whole trip because I don't have time to take it out, and then when I get home I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna call my bank and I'm gonna dispute the fucking charge. I haven't ate since like 11 o'clock. What did I eat today? Do you remember?
I don't think you told me anything. You don't like.
My mom had got some Chinese food yesterday, so I ate some little chow mein and some orange chicken. Just like 2 pieces of orange chicken and like this much chow mein. It really wasn't a lot because I be trying not to get myself full so that I can like eat later. But yeah, so I just ate like a little bit of food, and yeah, but all this to say that I am on the way to get my hair done, and I'll probably call y'all back when we get to Chick-fil-A if there's one over here. So yeah, see you guys in a minute. Nigga, y'all don't know about this one for real. Hold on. It's serious. It's time. It's time. With my boyfriend in it too, because my boyfriend know the words too. Stop playing with me. This is nothing but a radio, but they still play it though, cause that's that new Drizzy Drake. Got some flowers at my feet, nigga. I could go an hour on this beat, nigga. Yeah, time for a Tuscan leather smelling like a brick. I don't know if I've ever expressed to YouTube how much I love this man. Yes, I do know every song. Yeah.
Got a drop on this flexin' nigga. He from Tennessee, I had a thought. She be with this shit, she told me where he be. I say for sure, baby, let me know if you wanna eat. She like, Vaughn, you already know, just put your girl on fleek. I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What you want, some shoes? Jimmy Choo, what I had back to.
Okay guys, so I'm home. I should have showed y'all before I had combed this out, but I was talking to my mom, so I ended up combing it out. But so this is what it looks like, and I'm also combing out my edges so I could try to fix those too. So this is my thought process, right? So I'm gonna do like a kind of a small section like how I do my real hair. So I'm gonna wet this up. This is just water and conditioner, and now I'm gonna comb it through. So I got this like this wet brush, comb through brush, whatever, and I want it to be like really defined. So that's kind of what I'm going for. I'm gonna wrap some pieces around my finger so that it's giving like a, I don't know, the curls is just more defined type look. And we scrunch in, okay?
We reached the ceiling. I had a feeling. Yes, I did. From the beginning. Must be the ending. I've been taking on all this baggage.
Hey guys, so I'm finally off work. I just got off work. It's like, well, it's 5:19 right now, and I've had this on all day and my bonnet on all day because I don't have time for anything to get messed up before I go and like actually get to wear my hair out. So I also had it in this, like, at first it was in a ponytail, but then it was like bothering me because it was like getting in my face too much. So I had put it in that little like twist up bun or whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna just flip it over and you need to stop. So I think that it was like this, right? I don't know. Or was that in the back? I don't know like how it was positioned, but like now you can see a part and I don't like that. So now I'm like confused. My mom is on the way home, so I have to like stop what I'm doing so that I can go get my eyebrows done, and then we will resume this when I get back home. Let's just see what one would look like with no, because I was gonna put oil on my hands and do it like that, but that's actually fine. So now I'm gonna, I know I just said I have to stop what I'm doing, but I like can't. I want to know what it's gonna look like. I already got myself like set up and like in emotions to see what it's gonna look like. So this is what it's giving. So this is what it looks like, kind of like I like it. I think that it is, I think that is cute. There we go. That's like, I don't know. I'm gonna have to like fuck with this part when I get home, but let me try. Actually, you know what? I was gonna put it in a little like this, and I'm gonna leave. Okay, because I don't want to be too ugly. I'll be liking to go places when I be looking too ugly. Not the sun doing what it's supposed to.
If you think me and you tryna see what's up, he wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have him stuck. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid butt. Jewelry on your wrist, fucking hold it up.
Okay, so here's what I look. Hold on. She got some wax on the side of this lace, and that does not look good. Wait. So I'm done. This is what they look like. They look so good before. They looked absolutely terrible, but now, well, do they look good? I don't know. Oh my god, I have two different eyebrows.
I'm scared of your baby hairs.
Okay, but I have two different eyebrows.
Okay, well,
Let's cry about it.
Eyebrows are sisters, not twins.
Yeah, but
let me see.
and I already got.
Let me see.
I already have welts and bumps. Look at the end of this one. It's not even like.
Cause I'm telling you, she was scared of your baby hairs.
For what? It's like crazy because I could have like put money on the fact that they were not gonna look as good as I wanted them to look today. And now I finna have bumps too. Anyway, we are going to CVS now. I'm not gonna be like that, but
Oh, he gave you the color.
I want to be like that.
Oh.
Anyway, I'll see you guys in CVS. So CVS is only right here. I just want some whitening strips for my teeth because I think that they are looking a little bit too yellow. By the way, I'm actually terrified to record in here, but okay, here goes some mouthwash. So probably gotta be down here. Here we go. Plastic white. God damn, they are so expensive. Get extra bucks rewards? No, I just want them to be not expensive. $5 off. Damn, these $15. Well, I wanted it to be only like 10 or something. Not even gonna be like that, but that's why people steal. So I'm gonna just get these, I guess, for 5-day treatment. I actually don't have enough time for that.
What about this
How
one,
about
too?
1 day treatment? 14-day treatment? How about one?
It probably take more than 1 day.
Well, I don't have that
Use
type
this
of time.
phone.
I'm getting this one. I don't have time. I have till my birthday, and that is, when is my birthday? How many days?
Sunday.
Okay, if it's Thursday, then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We got 4 days. So, yeah, we're just gonna hope for the best. Okay, so basically, if I cry, I'm gonna be dramatic, but it's like, I feel like I should just be dramatic because this shit was $28, and my eyebrows look like shit, and I already have fucking bumps on my face, and that's making me mad. And it's like I could have bet every penny that I've ever had in my entire life that today was going to be the worst, like, eyebrow get done that I've ever had. Like, they've never looked like this before, and it's just like, it's incredible. It really just is. Like,
It is pretty incredible.
like, that's fucking crazy. It's literally fucking crazy. Anyway, so I'm back home, and I talked to Dylan and Ahmad about my eyebrows, and well, Dylan told me that they're not that bad, and I was already thinking like to cover it up with my hair on the side. So I guess like that's what I'm gonna do. But it's just the simple fact that it's like every time I get them done, they look perfect. They look the same. And then I get them done for like an actual occasion, and they look like shit. And so that had irritated me. So if you wanted to know, yes, I did cry in the car. Yes, I did. And was that dramatic? Yeah, and so what? My toenail's breaking. But that's okay, because I was gonna put I was gonna do like acrylic over the toe anyway, so I'm not like concerned about that. But it's just like, for what? You know what I'm saying? Okay, hey guys, so I am out the shower, shaved my legs and my underarms and everything. So I'm done with that. Now I'm gonna put these whitening strips on, and then I'm going to do my toes. They are just Crest white strips. They $25. I said I paid $28 because it was $28 after tax, so I paid $30.
In this game, sit back, be patient. Niggas act like the game went vacant. Niggas act like some been taken. What? Ain't nothing but a little bit of straightening. Been kicking shit, popping out daily. On the island, it's a movie I'm making. I'm counting the narrows with Robert De Niro. He telling them that you're amazing. That shit on, nigga get shit on. I bought 2 whips and I put my bitch on. She put this wrist on. She factory said it went rich and meal prone.
You tryna see what's up? He wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have him stuck. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid butt. Jewelry on your wrist, fucking hold it up.
Hi guys, so I am in the car. I'm at my nail appointment. It's just not time yet. It's like well, I have to go to the appointment at 6:30 and it's like 6:20 or something. So we're waiting. Well, I'm waiting to go inside, and then he's gonna go home and pack. But yeah, so we just got here like a little bit ago, and we just been sitting outside of her little suite. And yeah, so that's all my stuff back there that I had packed, by the way. I have that bag, 2 more duffel bags, and a suitcase, and then that's my outfit that I was gonna wear if we went to if we go to dinner. But dinner is not looking like it's gonna happen. But I'm not mad. I don't care, to be completely honest, because we was only gonna go to El Torito, and that's like not that big of a deal. I just really wanted to go there because I wanted to drink, but also we have to go pick up this rental car at 12:30, and my name is on the thing, so I have to drive the car, and I'm not a drunk driver. That's crazy. So I guess like maybe it's, but I don't know. I like Mexican food, and I kind of did want that, but it's okay. We'll just find out something else to eat. And then we could also save money, because it's not like we're not going somewhere in the morning and going to spend a bunch of money out there and blah blah blah. So it's fine. I just want like Starbucks or something, and probably get some like, I don't know, something easy like McDonald's or like something. I don't know. I'll try to record a little bit when I get in there, but I don't know, I'll be like scared or nervous or something because I don't know these people. I'll record some of it because the way I'm thinking about it in my head, like envisioning the video, I need to have some nail clips. So I will talk to you guys after and when I am done, so I can close the video out. So see you guys later.
She a baddie, she showing her panties. She shaking like jelly. 100 bands of Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in the deli. With my bitch getting dirty. He like him already. He want the walk, but I just want the Fetty.
Hey guys, so I am in Vegas now, and I forgot to show you guys my nails, but this is what they look like. If you can see, I don't know what you call this print, but this is what they look like. I'll probably like insert a picture or something, but yeah, we're here. I forgot to show like when I was done because life had just started moving too fast, but we've been here for a couple of hours already. Me and Dylan are about to go just walking around the hotel and get some drinks and stuff, so I'm excited. And I'm not wearing my glasses because I feel like it's going to mess up the look and I don't have time for that. So yeah, this is what I look like right now, and these are my nails. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time.